Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Robinhood and Tradestation. First, I'm going to talk about the fees, then I'm going to talk about what I think about these brokers, then markets and products, customer service, design, if they actually have demo account, what kind of applications they use and how they feel when you're going to invest in them, etc. So let's start. Fees. Both of these platforms have free stock and ETF trading, but Tradestation has only, listen to this, commission free for equities trades applies only to the first 10,000 shares per trade. For each order of more than 10,000 shares, a 0.005 per share charge will be assisted on number of shares in excess of 10,000 shares. So this is really important. If you want to trade penny stocks on Tradestation, I wouldn't recommend doing that, only because you have the fee here. So this is really important. It's free, but now another thing is that options are completely free on Robinhood. So if you want to trade options, go on Robinhood. Don't use Tradestation because Tradestation has 0.6 per contract. Robinhood doesn't have it at all. And this is really important. That's like, if you want to actually go for options, go with Robinhood. Let's go further. Markets and products. Tradestation is completely dominating Robinhood. If you want to invest in something else than just like stocks or ETF or even options, or you want to have more viable stock markets, go with a Tradestation. Let me show you. So this is like the markets and products of Robinhood. Stock, ETF, you don't have Forex, fund, bonds, futures, CFD. In Tradestation, you have everything, but that's not all. I'm continuing. You have, actually look at this, stock market and ETF. Look at this. Stock markets, ETFs on Tradestation is huge. And why is it huge? Because it's connected to directly Interactive Brokers. And Interactive Brokers is one of the biggest brokers in Europe. Funds, bonds, and futures, you have so many options to actually invest to. If you want to expand your product portfolio, go with the Tradestation. That's just my recommendation. Now, about the fees of withdrawal and inactivity fee, you don't have any inactivity fee on both of these platforms, but on Tradestation you have a withdrawal fee. That first withdrawal fee is for free, and then every other withdrawal fee in that particular month is going to cost you $10. So if you want to, do a day trading and you would like to withdraw money from Tradestation, 5 times a month, first it's going to be free and then $10 per withdrawal. Now, about the design of applications, I personally prefer and like Robinhood more. It looks more from the UX and UI standpoint much better. That's what I think, because Tradestation is fine, but the Robinhood got this, I don't know how to call it, the perfection in it, and that's what I prefer. Now let's go further to account opening on both of these platforms is fine, but on Tradestation, if you're gonna use a plan called TS Select, you need to have minimum deposit of $2,000, but that's all right. Then you have deposit and withdrawal. Credit card is not available on both of these platforms, and as I mentioned, the high withdrawal fee on Tradestation. Then you have here the customer service, and it's really bad on both of these platforms, so that it's not oh, that is worse comparing to that. You don't have live chat on both of these platforms, you don't have 24/7 support, and phone support you have on Tradestation, but you don't have phone support on Robinhood. But Robinhood has really good customer service through email. And safety, both of these platforms are here for a long time. I just be careful about using Robinhood as on options, so you don't spend all your money on nothing. Just read Wall Street Bets and learn from there to what you should invest to, right? And that's pretty much it. Tradestation is secured by Interactive Brokers and is directly connected to it because the parent company listed on a stock exchange, that's Interactive Brokers. And yeah, thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. But to summarize all of this, if I would start right now, I would use Robinhood. I would use a Tradestation only if I would like to have some ETF that I know that Robinhood doesn't have. If I would like to trade options, I would go with Robinhood. If I would like to trade something different comparing to stock, ETF, and options, I would go with the Tradestation. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I really hope this video was helpful. I enjoyed making it. I really did. And yeah, have a great day, everybody, and goodbye. See ya.